In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, create a space, add a folder and a list, and make your first task with an assignee and due date, so you can start organizing work right away. First, open the ClickUp website in your browser. On the homepage, look for the Sign In button and click it. You'll see a few login options. I'm choosing Google, which is quick and secure, but you can pick the option that works best for you. Follow the prompts, and once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. From your dashboard, you're ready to create your first space. Think of a space as the top-level container for a team, a department, or a big project, whatever makes sense for how you work. Look for the plus icon, usually in the sidebar, and click it to add a new space. Give your space a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows what it's for. A good name up front makes it easier to keep everything organized later. With your space created, it's time to add a folder inside that space. A folder helps you group related work under a theme or a phase. Click to add a folder, enter a folder name that reflects what's inside, like a product area or a project phase, and save it. Keeping names consistent is a small habit that pays off when your workspace grows. Next, create a list within that folder. Lists are where your actual tasks will live. They can represent sprints, categories, or specific deliverables. Click to create a new list, name it clearly, and you're ready to add tasks. On your list, click to add a new task. Give the task a concise title that makes the work obvious at a glance. You can assign the task by selecting a teammate from the assignee field, which makes it clear who is responsible. Then set a due date to keep the work on schedule. Due dates help with planning and accountability, and they make it easier to filter and track progress later. Once you've entered the task name, chosen the assignee, and set the due date, click Create Task to save it. That's it, you've signed in, created a space, added a folder, built a list, and created your first task with an assignee and due date. From here, you can repeat the same steps to build out more folders, lists, and tasks as your work evolves. Thanks for watching, and enjoy getting organized in ClickUp.